Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video, it'll be a demo and review of the Sephora Collection Matte Powder Foundation. Absolutely love this stuff. It is my new favorite foundation right now, so I'm going to apply it and tell you why I love it. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. We are on the road to hitting 5,000 subscribers, and I want you to be a part of our crew. So in order for you to support, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. Thank you so much for clicking on my thumbnail and watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you find this video helpful. So before we jump into the foundation, I do want to say that I've already primed my face with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in Universal. So I used it as a primer all over my T-zone and most of my face, but my favorite primer that I love to use. Now to apply this foundation, I'm going to be using a complexion brush by ELF from their Pro collection. I absolutely love this for a powdered foundation. I have the shade 44N. It's a little darker than my skin, but I think it is a good enough match. So one thing I will say is this compact is secure. It is definitely hard to open. Like I said, I love this product, so it is very well loved. So you will see it is balled up and used, but it's a really great powder foundation. It does also come with a sponge underneath if you're into those, but I usually use a brush that way I can get a light diffuse coverage. So I'll do this half of my face first so you guys can kind of see that side by side difference. So like I said, it is a little darker than my skin right now, but I feel like it looks really good. Coming down on that neck and chin. And then lastly, hit that forehead and nose. So as you can see, like I said, a little darker, but it looks so good. It looks so real and lifelike. Like, that way it won't crease in my laugh lines. But it looks so this is the side with, this is the side without. So it looks so airbrushed, lifelike, real, but it does give me the coverage of covering up my hyperpigmentation and discoloration, which is why I'm absolutely loving this foundation. It is lightweight and easy to build up. It doesn't have any fragrance or smell. And I feel like it looks really pretty. Now, like I said, it is a little darker, but I also am anticipating me getting a little darker for the summertime. I am gonna do a little quick on my eyes so it doesn't look too unblended. That way you can see it all over. But it is absolutely lightweight, gorgeous looking. And really pretty. Like, you really look like it's your real skin. So maybe this is saying it's a neutral shade. I do feel like it might be pulling a little red, but I like it though. There we go. Just trying to even it up a little more. So if you're one of those people that you hate heavy foundations, this is so lightweight. And I now. Like I said, it is a little warm leaning on me, but I am gonna go in next with my House Labs bronzer, which is another video you'll have to watch. But this powder feels so good and lightweight, takes down the shine and looks really pretty. So like I said, I 100% know it's not my 1000% match for right now, but when it is a little darker summery time, this is going to be the perfect shade. And I'm not going to lie, I prefer this color on me, so that's why even though I was way paler, I'm trying to bring the summer to my life, even though the sun is fighting to stay out in New York, but I gotta bring it to my face. So as you can see, there you go, very even, no splotching. It doesn't stick to any of the texture on my skin. It looks really, really gorgeous. It is a beautiful powder foundation, and it only costs $22. I was looking at one size, a lot of other high-end brand powder foundations, and the prices are easily clearing $35, $40, $49 for a powder foundation. So definitely check out this SEPHORA brand foundation. Again, that is the matte powder foundation. I applied shade 44N. Like I said, a little bit darker than probably what I would normally go with, but I feel like as I come into spring and summer, I will soon be the shade, God willing. But it looks so gorgeous, so lifelike. It doesn't look cakey or powdery. This looks like just my real skin, but better and with more color, which I absolutely love. So definitely for $22, this is a steal. SEPHORA collection has done it again. I was lucky enough to get it during the sale, so I got it 30% off. So for the sale coming in November, you know, maybe make your list, check it twice, add the matte powder foundation because it's really nice. All right, A bars. But I absolutely love this foundation. I think it looks really good. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see my House Bronzer video, House Labs bronzer video, so you can see how I finish this look. Okay, thank you so much for coming to the channel and checking out this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.